Isn't it about time that we realize that there's an order to things in the universe and that some of the things can be explained and others just are? Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli Zell with Project Eli, where we educate, lead, and inspire. And isn't it about time that we realize that there's an order to both the solar system and to the construction of the atom, big things and little things? When this natural order, these natural laws are altered, there could be some devastating circumstances. So please, don't split the atom at your home anytime soon, or cause the planet to leave its orbit, or pollute our atmosphere and cause the ice to melt at the North Pole. Because sometimes when we change the natural order of things, the results are immediate, and sometimes they occur gradually. Our denials don't change results. It's about time that we realize that this order is consistent and acts without prejudice as to good or evil. That in fact, in the universe, good and evil are subjective entities that can change. What is conceived as good and positive today may be abhorrent to future generations. A few examples from just this country: slavery was once looked upon as good in certain places and essential. There was no tolerance for people of different sexual orientation. Cigarettes were cool. Conservatism was in. Liberalism is in. Music had melodies. I think I'm going to stop right there. It's about time that we realize that there is a universal planner. This is the name that I'm choosing among many names that have been used to identify this force in nature. This universal planner has given us these laws that act consistently and without prejudice, and that we continue to unfold new material that allows us to make new discoveries. Now, some of the time these discoveries are categorized as technological breakthroughs or advancements. Some of the time these technological breakthroughs are transitional, like this typewriter versus our modern keyboards, versus the ability to speak and see the words appear in print, or the current mindset of paying more attention to communication devices than to other people of the exact same species. I wonder what the birds or dogs or rabbits think when they see us with our heads constantly buried in some devices while we ignore a person that's sitting right next to us. I'll bet it's something like, what's up, Doc? It's about time that we realize that sometimes the transitional period can be volatile. Like when you declare that all men are created equal in the political spectrum, and you have your slaves serve you dinner while you're explaining the concept. Or when you declare that we should love thy neighbor as you love yourself, except when their sexual or political orientation significantly differs from your own. It's about time that we realize that the universal planner seeks to cooperate with the creatures on this planet. This is why the so-called natural laws act consistently. It makes it easier for we creatures and the plants and animals to accomplish our objectives. Further, that we as humans have been blessed with the unique ability to reason with information and to store it for future generations. This enables us to advance the progress of the human condition from a more advanced starting line, and not to have to start at ground zero as those from the animal kingdom must continually do. It's about time for us to realize that the universal planner communicates with us to help us advance the human condition. There are different methods that the planner uses to accomplish this end. Sometimes it could be in the form of a dream or a mind flash. Sometimes it takes the form of a circumstance or occurrence that we can neither predict nor plan. The planner lets us know when a message is being sent to us by giving us a unique feeling in our gut. It is incumbent upon us to act decisively when this feeling is received. This confirms that the message has been received and encourages future additional input from the planner to communicate and to partner with us. It's about time that we realize that to receive communication from the planner, that we must exhibit a burning desire, a magnificent obsession about a particular desired outcome. This obsession does not have to be logical to the mainstream populace, but it must be within our physical realm for successful achievement. Thus, we can dream about traveling to the moon, but are unable to jump to it from the Earth. It's necessary to create the magnificent obsession because we think approximately 60,000 different thoughts every single day. And in order to distinguish this one burning desire from our casual thoughts to the universal planner, we must single it out with the action and make it our single purpose. Or as one of my favorite pundit mentors likes to say, Brandon Burchard, and I quote, "The main thing is to make the main thing the main thing." And because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note, let's all get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad.